Germark, we have all technologies of printing technologies. We are always looking for the new technologies. UV letterpress, UV flexo, UV silkscreen, flatbed and rotary, liquid toner, digital, inkjet UV, and the capability to apply adhesive and silicone coating. We were the first label printer in Spain investing in digital technology for labels. It was in 2000, and last year we invested in a digital inkjet Domino with the N610i to complement the offer to our customers. In Germark, 26% of the turnover are made with, in labels, are made with digital, but more than 50% of the orders are going to digital instead of analog.
In terms of productivity, of course, there is no setup, especially if we try to imitate a screen printing. So with the Domino we can do that, so you avoid engraving screen rolls, okay, which is very costly. So we were very happy with the vibrancy of the colors, and it was for that what we bought Dominoes. Okay. Also, the white, because there is two printing head for that, is very opaque, and the combination of the white and vibrant colors transfer design from screen to inkjet.
Una de las principales características que hemos implementado rápidamente de la N610 son las Textures by Domino, que en muchos de nuestros clientes están dando un resultado muy bueno. Estamos simulando efectos de madera, efectos de líneas o de conceptos de orlas, etcétera, que ayudan mucho a darle una calidad serigráfica al producto sin ser serigrafía. Y los clientes realmente están respondiendo muy bien por este lado del trabajo.
One advantage also of the process of Domino is because they have two heads of whites, you can imitate texture without. Okay, so you print with the white head a design, okay, a wood design, you know, some wood design, and you overprint on that the colors. So you can have a good imitation of the wood with the surface, also imitation of the surface of the wood.